It's the money making. It's the money making Monique show. It's the money making. It's the money making. It's the money making Monique show. Hey. Pillows. So yes, I'm making pillows now. I'm making some for the holidays as gifts and as a couple of orders as well. So yes, and I'm going to show y'all the products that we use and step by step. So if y'all want to know how to use pillows, I got you. You was in the right place. Let's get into it. Okay. So what you would need is some sublimation designs. And here go all my sublimation designs that we're going to be doing today. And then I bought some sublimation covers from Amazon, and I'll leave the link in the description. And this is a 15.7 by 15.7. Now, since this is my first time, I did do the sheets the same size, y'all. Don't do that. Go a little bit deeper. Go down a little bit. So since they are 15.7, I should have did my design about like a 15.5 or lower. So it went because sometimes this is getting a little bit off the sheets, but it's gonna work. We already tried. So that's all you're gonna really need. And then I bought some. Yeah, it's all over the place. But I bought some fiber fill this up here. And I bought this, and I bought a big box, like a 5-pound, because I didn't know how much it was going to be. So I bought, this came in a bundle. First I bought a 4-pack. And then once I started saying it, and I was getting orders, I went on and bought a 10-pack as well. So I have a couple of these for a while. So now we about to get into it. Alright, so you do want to make sure there's no wrinkles or anything in your pillowcase. So all you're gonna do is press this for about a good 3 to 5 seconds, just to get the creases out. Now to press it, your heat press need to be at 400, and then I press it for 60 seconds. So 400 for 60 seconds is what I press it for. I'm gonna press both sides because I ain't like that. That little crinkle not coming out this. Let's see. Ow! Alright, so since like I said, the picture is a little bit bigger than what I wanted, I'm gonna put it on top of here first, just to make sure the pictures on here is coming on here. Then you just use your tape. Use as much as you feel you need to use. So once you have your tape on it, then you just take it to your heat press. Y'all, so I'm gonna push it up a little bit because all of it didn't get like this bottom part, so I really want to make sure it get it. So I'm gonna push it down for another 60 seconds. So one thing about sublimation, a lot of times you don't have to wait till it cool down. You can do a hot peel with it. And then we're going to see. Let's turn it this way. And just pop the tape off. Yeah, I really hope y'all enjoy my videos because I have been busting my little behind to get these out and been sending a little helper. A couple of these was last minute orders. And y'all know I do not like telling people no because I love to see people put a smile on their faces once they see the outcomes of their gifts and it's customized by me. So now this is why I said put tape in much as you want to, because baby, you gotta take that off too. So the reveal part. Look at that. Do y'all see that? Look at that. Look at that. That is so cute. And yes, this is May May and her little family. So now what we do is we get the fiber, and we just start stuffing it in there. Now when you're doing this, you want to make sure you are getting in those corners to make it nice and full. So do sections when you do it. Break it down inside, make sure it's all the way in so you put more in there. So it could be nice and stuffed. Sometimes you'll have to put it up, sit it up while you stuffing it in there. And no, if anybody wondering if the fiber, if this get anywhere, it is not. It is not as let me see, I guess manipulative as cotton. It don't fall all over the place. So you won't have to worry about making a real big mess with it. There we go. Then you can manipulate it in here. Make sure you don't have no like empty dips that don't feel full. And there you go. A puller. Now see like this right here where it's flat at, I'll go back in and put some in there, make sure it gets to those corners. So let's see. Might will put a little bit more in there. And that's why I got a lot of the fiber, because I just ain't know how much it was going to take. There we go. So we will make our next one. So this was a 32-ounce bag, so it was 2 pounds, and I did 3.5 pullers. So I've already did 3 full ones, and then the one I'm showing y'all now, I'm gonna have to open my other box. So let me show y'all the box I got. But so with a 2 pound, that is good enough for at least 3 pullers out of there. Let me show y'all the box. Alright, so yeah, I had already said I didn't know how much that was a 2 pound was gonna do me. So to be on the safe side, I went on ahead and ordered a 5 pound box as well. So this is the 5 pound box. I hope I'm gonna be able to close this back up. I don't know how it's gonna look. Oh, good. Okay. So they store it real good in a bag. So it's in a bag. So yeah, this is a bag. So hope I use most of it because it can go down. So that's good. I already got a storage box. I just keep it in that box. But let me go ahead and restore this. And yeah, this is about to be the end of this video as well. I appreciate y'all staying tuned with me. Until next time, love y'all.
I like to be educated, but I'm so frustrated. Hello to my loneliness. I guess that ignorance is bliss. Take me back to before the new. Rewind, take it out of cue. Innocence can be a young man's game. Signed up for the hall of shame. I wish I knew.
It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. It's the money making, it's the money making, it's the money making Monique show. Hey.